decorations! This is gonna be the best New Year's ever!
I know! I'm so excited to explore the city! Kyoto winters are bone-chilling, aren't they?
Let's warm up with this hot takoyaki. We arrived at a quaint soba restaurant.
It smells delicious and looks delicious.
This herring soba looks delicious!
Yes, it must be delicious. The kanroni is so appealing.
That herring is 3 inches longer than mine. No way! I want that one. Show my superiority. Your herring is clearly bigger than mine.
Oh, just eat it, it's delicious!
Want to trade bites?
Okay, peace!
Theo, engrave this sound in your heart. This will purify our mischievous spirits too.
This is the best stress reliever, Meow!
This is the best stress reliever, Meow!
Hey, Theo. It's decided to be 108 times. No monopolizing.
Now, you shouldn't be too greedy.
This song is great! They are really giving it their all tonight.
It's Ultra Soul. This is the best night ever.
I know, right? Forget that stupid fight!
Customers, you are very energetic. This inn is for quietly spending the New Year holidays.
That bell sound from earlier, it's poignant even through the TV.
Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.